Hello, thank you for your purchase of Skypress. I'm Rosie. Today we're going to learn how to install and set up your Skypress software. Are you ready? Let's begin. After you have downloaded Skypress, right-click on your Skypress zip folder, then select Extract All to unzip your files. Once you're done, you will see your Skypress folder. Now open FileZilla or other FTP program, then log into your website. Once you have login, delete your current index page within your FTP directory if one exists. When finished, open your Skypress folder in your FTP program and copy all of the files to your website. You're all done. Now if you wish to install Skypress inside of a directory on your site, simply copy the Skypress folder to your website. Now that you're finished your installation of Skypress, go to your site's homepage. You should see the Skypress logo. Enter a new password twice. Make sure both passwords are the same. Next you will be taken to the Skypress dashboard. The current tab selected is Layout. For title, enter a short title that will show in your site's header. For subtitle, enter a short description of your website. For author, enter your name as author of your site. For keywords, enter keywords related to your site. Search engines will use these words when indexing your site. Site headers are optional. You can upload up to 3 headers. Your header image should be a full-size image. Also remember, not all template will use all 3 header images. Most templates will only use header 1. Logos are optional as well. Logos will appear in certain templates that use logos. For example, the search engine template will show your logo above your search bar. Your photo is optional. Your photo will appear in certain templates that includes photos. For example, the course template will show your photo. Now it's time to choose your main template. Choose a template that best fits your site. A mobile preview will appear to the right of your dashboard. Some templates will require you to edit their application settings. For example, templates like Portal, Search Engine, Course, Desktop, Packages, Download, Contact Us, Classified_Ads and Squeeze Page are some templates that requires you to edit their application settings before use. We will show you how to this soon. Using Content Select, you can choose how many blogs or items you wish to appear in a row. You can have up to 4 items in a row. Next you can choose your page color. Use the drop-down menu to choose a color for your site's page. Panel color are used for Portal templates content boxes. If you're not using a Portal template, you can skip this option. You can also edit your footer color. Choose a color for your site's footer located at the bottom of your pages. Font color, choose a color for your words on your web pages. Font type, choose a font for your site pages. Link color, choose a color for links within your pages. Next tab is the Info tab. Here, you can add your business contact info. Also link your PayPal, Zella and Cash App ID so you can accept payments on your site. Info tab is optional and can be skipped if you like. Let's start off by adding your business address. Your phone, again this is optional. Your Zelle phone number, if you have a Zella account. Your business hours. Your PayPal email. Used for accepting payments and receiving email from your visitors or customers. And your Cash App ID, optional. Also used for taking payments. Next tab is the Social tab. Here you can enter your social profiles links, so visitors may follow you or learn more about you. These social links will appear in the footer of your site. Social tab is optional and can be skipped if you like. Next tab is the Content tab. In the About section, tell your visitors about your site or blog. Add your bio and describe yourself and your skills. Bio only shows in the course template. So if you're not using the course template, you can skip the bio option. You can add Google Ads or other ad network in the Ads code section. And last, you can use Analytics code box to add Google Analytics or other analytics codes. When done with this section, make sure you click Save and Publish. Moving on. Next tab is the Custom Links tab. Custom links appears at the bottom of your site's pages. You can have up to 5 custom links. These pages holds up to 350 characters and can contain HTML codes. Just enter your link title and content. Click Save and Publish when done. Now we're back at the main dashboard screen. Before we move to application settings, click Save located at the top of screen. As said before, some templates require you to edit their settings and application settings before use. If your template is listed with the settings link across from it, click on the settings list to make changes. Once you're done, click Save and Publish. You will also see the menu option in the middle of the application settings. Using this option, you can choose to show or hide templates in your site's menu. If you choose to show in template, it will appear in your site's menu. This will allow you to use more templates and have a multifunctional site. For example, your main template can be an online store. However, you can also choose to show Internet Radio and Internet TV template in your site's menu. Your site will then use all 3 templates as a multifunctional site. Once you're done with all changes, click Save at the top. You can also click My Site to view your site. That's all for this tutorial on Skypress. Thanks for watching.
Brought to you by the Power Script.